Greetings and welcome again to this YouTube channel. So the focus of this video is just to show you how to make decisions in the BSG simulations. As you can see, this is just the first year of the simulation, and I hope this video will go a long way in helping you guys manage the BSG simulation. So from the start, we always start with the production facilities page. From the production facilities page is that we in future, because it's cheaper to produce in Latin America and Asia Pacific, we will want to expand into Latin America because as per now we cannot produce in Latin America. So as you can see, I'll invest 5,000 in Latin America because that's why we want to produce in future, and then I'll initiate option B in Asia Pacific. As you can see, we have refurbished production equipments in Asia Pacific. We'll replace that later. The focus is not for now. So those are the decisions that we'll make for this page. And maybe I'll purchase some production equipments. And we always focus on purchasing new production equipment. So I'll only purchase 1,000 per now. That's how you make the decisions for the first page. I'll save that. Then next we'll go to compensation and training. Under compensation and training, so we don't offer incentive pay. It's not necessary at this step of the game. We also don't offer fringe benefits because it's also the start of the game. But for the best practice training, we'll maximize it because we are aiming to enjoy the cumulative impacts of that. Supervisory compensation, I'll also do 1% for all of them. Those are the decisions, the basic decisions that we'll make under the compensation and training page. I'll just save the decisions before I proceed. Sorry about that. Next, I'll go to the branded production page. So we started with production facilities, compensation and training, then branded production page. So for us to enjoy, for us to limit the reject rates, it will be wise for us to maximize the TKM. So we'll do that as per now. Maximize the TKM. We'll also increase the number of models. So initially it was 200. We'll be increasing it by 100. So I'll do 300 here. I'll also do 300 here. After that, I'll produce the maximum here, which is 4,800. That's the total production capability. Here, 6,000. Sorry about the warnings, but don't worry about them. I don't want to increase the SQ rating this much, so I can drop it a little bit. So I'll target to have 5.7. That's okay. I'll also target to have 5.7 on this time. Remember, we are using the maximum here it's 6. Sorry about that. I think we'll maintain 6 because Asia Pacific we can't go below it, and I don't want to reduce the number of TKM. So we'll maintain an SQ rating, projected SQ rating of 6 across all the regions. So those are the decisions for this page, but we'll still come back later. Don't worry about it. I'll save the decisions. After that, I'll go to corporate citizenship. Corporate citizenship plays a major role in improving our image rating, as you will see. So I'll initiate nearly all of them except for the charitable contributions and the energy efficiency initiatives. We'll initiate energy efficiency initiatives next year, so I'll only initiate the others first. You can see the image rating has now improved to 84. It was initially around 79, or was it 69? So next we will initiate energy efficiency initiatives, and then later stages charitable contributions. I'll save the decisions for that. That's our CSR, corporate social responsibility award, corporate social responsibility and citizenship page. I'll go to celebrity endorsements. Celebrities play a major role in improving your sales volume. So because it's the start, I'll just issue a contract offer of 5,000 for all of them without discriminating. I will not offer any priority here. I'll just leave it as a 0, but I'll need to input under the spending cap only 11. So you can see here 2 celebrities. The maximum is around 2 celebrities. So because we are aiming 5,000 for each, so of spending cap, I'll put it as 10,000. That's how you make the decisions for the corporate social responsibility award. I'll save the celebrity endorsement, so I'll save the decisions. After that, I'll go to the internet marketing page and then the wholesale marketing page. So we don't issue any free shipping as per now. It's the start of the game. But for the search engine, because it's a form of advertisement, I'll just increase it by 1,000. All of them, I'll increase all of them by 1,000. So if it was 45 here, next it will be 55. It was 4,000 here, next will be 5,000. 4,000 here, I'll just invest an additional 1,000. So that's also 5,000. After that, I've not yet touched the price. After that, I'll go to wholesale marketing. Under wholesale marketing, the brand advertising, I'll be increasing it by 2,000. So it was 10, now it's 12. It was 9, that will come to around 11,000. It was 8,000 here, we'll improve it to 10,000 here. It was 7,500 here, we'll improve it to 9,500. The retailer support, I'll do the same thing. I'll improve it by 2,000. So it should be 6,000 here. If it was 4,000 here, I'll also increase it to 6,000 here. 2750, I'll bring it to 4750 here. 2750 here, I'll also increase it to 4750. For the delivery time, I'll put it a constant 2 weeks across all the markets. So it should be 2 weeks across all the markets. So after that, I'll still save the decisions. Remember, I've not yet touched the prices of our products, but I'll come to branded production. So under branded production, we are able to produce 10,800. The market demands 12,700 from us. So to reduce that demand, we'll be forced to increase the prices of our products a little bit. I'm increasing it by $4. After that, I'll go to internet marketing. The difference here should be around 40 to avoid cannibalization of one market. So yeah, 40. 41%, not a bad thing. So 41%. So after that, I'll go back to branded production to see. So you can see we are producing 10,800. The market demands 11,600 from us. So I'll still be forced to alter the prices of my products. So after that, I'll still come back to branded production. Still a huge a difference of around 1,000. No problem with that. So back to our branded production page. So yeah, the difference is okay. Now I can go to distribution and warehouse. To start, I'll zero in everything first. After zeroing everything, I'll want to clear the inventory because we don't want to hold on to so much inventory. Remember, inventory, too much inventory is an expense for the company, and you need to minimize your inventory for you to enjoy positive profit margins. So after that, now we can use this projected surplus and shortfall here. So here we start by satisfying the demand in the areas that we are producing from before we export into other regions. So we can make this 3150. So we have a surplus of 300. I'll go back. and subtract that from whatever we are producing in Asia Pacific. So this should be 5700. Back to distribution and warehouse, we have a surplus of 15. I can add that here. So it's okay. A surplus, the surplus is not that huge, no problem with that. After that, I'll go to private label operations. We are only producing private labels in Asia Pacific. So the global minimum is 3.0. We need to produce higher than that. So 3.8 still, so we can do 3.7. No, let's do 3.6, and then we'll supply only in Asia Pacific because the others we cannot supply. So yeah, we'll maintain a price of 32, and then we can switch only this to a yes. That's how you make the private label operations decisions. So after that, I'll come to the last part, which is the finance and cash flow page. So under the finance and cash flow page, you can see we have a shortfall of 62,000, but our credit rating is that good. So we can decide to uh, repay this loan. The interest rate is a little bit higher compared to whatever we'll be taking here. So -80, we can take a loan of 100,000. So we can take a loan of 100,000. You can see the projected cash balance at the end of the year is no longer a warning. So it means we are at no risk of getting an emergency loan. So that's how you make the decisions for the first year of the BSG. It's something simple, not hard. In case of any challenges or in case you need help, please feel free to reach us. Thank you.